Hey scrappers, it's Paul here with CopperMine and Happy New Year. Today I'm here with the CT-500 and we're gonna process some welding cable that a customer sent us. When you're dealing with welding cable, you have very fine, hairy copper strands inside of this cable. And what we wanna do is we want to make some fine-tune adjustments to the wire stripping machine. That way it's not shredding through and creating a whole bunch of pieces of copper all over the floor. We wanna cut just the top of the insulation, but keep the copper as whole as possible. At the top of the machine, you have 4 tension handles. These are designed to help the blades cut deeper into the cable. Like at the top of the machine, if you open the front door of the Model 500, we have the same design located on the inside bottom of the machine. By using these adjustment handles at the bottom of the machine, it helps to push the shaft up and away from the wire. This will allow the cut, instead of going as deep into the cable, you can make this adjustment so that it doesn't cut as deep and that's not fraying and cutting into your copper. If you start to notice that the blades are becoming dull fast or they're cutting too deep into your cable, you can utilize these adjustments at the bottom of the machine, just like this, to push those blades a little bit away from the wire. So as you can see here, this wire right here was cut before we made the adjustment. And if I were to pull the copper out of here, the blade cut too deep. So all of the copper strands are basically shredded inside of here, and it's not going to be a whole intact copper piece. This wire was cut after we made the adjustment. And when I go to pull the copper out, it's a nice solid copper piece, and it's not shredded or as bad as this copper wire. So that's the difference of making a quick adjustment on the CopperMine Model 500 in order to get your wire to come out as whole and pure as possible.